All right, good morning. We are here a few minutes before London is about to close. It's Friday, December 8th. We just had PPI this morning. Market obviously did a bunch of nothing during that. Which is okay. And we are waiting on London to close. It seems like at this point we might get a buy. And undo all of this PPI move. The PPI move was 400 points, something like that. So we will see where we get. 30 seconds. It does seem like a break above here is likely. We'll see what happens. So what was PPI this morning? All right, London's closed. We're just waiting. All right. They were expecting 0.2. They got 0.3. So inflation is slowing, still staying fairly high. Let's see where we get. Reminder that what we're doing is we're really just, once London closes, we're starting to look for a little bit of volume to come in the market, which it does typically. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Honestly, sometimes it takes a lot of minutes. Our job is to not rush it. I did that, I think, twice this week. So our job is to just be patient, wait on price to come to the areas that are interesting to us. Obviously, breaking above here is interesting because you've got all this room to the left that was a clean move. Obviously because of news, but really there's no recent anything in the way there. And so a buy would probably be pretty clean. We're right near, so the price of the market's at 33.7 right now, 33.9 pre-news. Weekly, we're red. A close above that would be great, I think, for the market looking to continue on bullish. A close above 34 psychologically would be fantastic. So, were there any moves that were clean before this? You know, I'm always trying to figure out, is this the best time frame? Is this London close the cleanest thing going on? And no, I mean, there's so many wicks around here. None of that's clean. It's a Friday, it's December, and it's post news. So I don't see anything that we missed this morning. I do wish I lived somewhere that trading London was a viable option, or that London New York overlap. But here it's got me waking up at 3:30 or 4 in the morning. That's just no good. I've gone through years of doing that. Either waking up that early and then going to bed, back to bed, which is just hard, or waking up that early and staying awake, which is also hard. It just requires discipline going to bed, which, you know, I got 2 teenagers, so I feel like they don't even, well, especially one of them doesn't even start his, he's like 9 o'clock's early for him. So we sit here and wait. Yeah, I mean, this price action here is just so nasty. It is just whipping all over the place. On the 30-minute, it's still not any better. Every candle's got significant wicks. You know, we might not get any volume today. I don't know. After I get off the stream, I keep charts up. And you know, even on days when it's a struggle to find a trade shortly after London closes, at some point in the next hour or so, volume always kicks in. Get a few really strong candles. Usually a move that made sense as well, like actual price action, not just price spiking. All right, we're in a trade. The way that they slip you on entry, every trade, this is with first class Forex funds, every trade you lose a pip or two on the entry and you lose a pip or two on the exit. It drives me nuts. All right, let's get magic keys up. Be ready to manage our risk. Gosh. This is just brutal. right, that's our low. If it breaks that, I'm just going to all the way out. So frustrating, price doing this. It's just enticement right there. Where's it going to go? It's not going anywhere good. It's going to go to our stops is where it's going to go. There it is. Sheesh. So frustrating. So what could we have done differently? I guess waiting for that candle to close would have been it. If it had closed above, a close above, we'll still probably see this come back to the beginning of this PPI move, but we didn't close above. We closed with a significant wick. So maybe on days like this, when there's a big clean move waiting to happen, we wait for the close above and not just a spike up to. I don't know. I guess that's it. Just to close above. Waiting for the candle to close instead of reacting during it. In order to react during the candle, we need real volume and follow through. So that's it. You know, I was saying today, we've just added another rule. I was saying today that I needed to wait for price to not inside the box, but to actually break out of my range. And as it spiked right out, I did not wait for the candle to close. So that's a new December rule. Outside the range, candle close. All right, that's going to conclude it. This was how to lose money on a Friday with Tim. I'll see you guys next week.